In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome. If you find yourself with Yahoo Search appearing every time you search or open the Chrome browser and you want to revert back to Google, you're in the right place. Let's walk through these steps carefully and get things back to normal. Start by opening Google Chrome. This is where Yahoo is currently set as your default search engine and likely causing some frustration. Now, look towards the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Clicking on these will open a menu with various options for customization and control. You'll want to select Settings from this menu. This action will bring you to the main hub for all Chrome settings. Next, let's focus on changing your startup pages. Over on the left side of the screen, you'll spot a menu. Find and click on Startup. Once you're there, you're going to select the option Open a specific page or set of pages. This allows you to designate which pages Chrome loads when you first open it, overriding any unwanted settings still lingering around. Click on Add a new page here. When prompted, type in the URL https://www.google.com and then click Add. Now we've ensured Google will be right there from the start. Now onward to changing the default search engine. Navigate back to the main settings menu and look for Search Engine on the left sidebar. You'll see the option Search Engine used in the address bar. This is what we'll adjust next. Simply change it from Yahoo to Google. This ensures that whenever you type in the address bar, Google will be the engine handling your search queries, bringing you those quick, relevant results you've been missing. We're almost done, but there's one more thing to check. Click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search, which you'll find underneath the Search Engine section. Here, all the search engines you've used will be listed. Make sure that Google is set as the default engine. This setting makes sure that Google takes precedence across the board in your Chrome searches. Having completed these steps, you can go ahead and close the Settings tab. It might seem like a small action, but it confirms your changes are saved and complete. To ensure everything's in order, test your new settings. Open a new tab and type anything you want in the address bar. You should see Google handling the search, as you intended. Now, just enjoy the familiarity of having Google back as your trusty search companion in Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully replaced Yahoo Search with Google in your Chrome browser. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.